Filing taxes doesn't have to be stressful anymore. If you're a beginner and you've been wondering how to file your taxes online using TurboTax in 2025, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know so you can confidently file your taxes from start to finish, without confusion. Let's get started. Sign in or create an account. Next, click on the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner. If you're new to TurboTax, you'll need to create an account. This is important because it not only saves your information for future years, but also helps you pull up past records quickly, saving time. Review and organize documents. Before diving in, have your tax documents ready. Things like your W-2 if you're employed, or 1099 forms if you're freelancing or self-employed. Once signed in, TurboTax will guide you to the section where you can review or edit your tax documents. The platform will even highlight what's missing, so you don't overlook anything. Enter personal profile information. Now, head over to the Personal Profile section. This is where you'll enter your full name, current address, social security number, and any other key identifying details. Accuracy here is critical. Double-check everything to prevent delays with the IRS Report Your Income. After setting up your profile, TurboTax will walk you through reporting your income. Just follow the on-screen prompts. You'll enter details from your W-2s or 1099s. TurboTax makes this simple by matching the fields on your forms with the fields in their software. The more thorough you are, the more accurate your return will be. Continue with deductions and credits. Once your income is entered, TurboTax will ask about deductions and credits you may qualify for. Don't skip this section. It's where you could save the most money. Things like education expenses, medical costs, or dependent credits can significantly reduce your tax bill. Review and file. Finally, TurboTax will run a thorough review of your return. It checks for common errors and ensures everything is in place before you file. Once you're confident, you can file electronically with just a click. Most people get confirmation from the IRS within 24 to 48 hours. And that's it? You've just learned how to file your taxes online with TurboTax in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner. The process is straightforward when you take it step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover specific tax-saving tips in future videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your filing this year.